Taskade tutorial, how to use Taskade. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Taskade for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search Taskade on your browser. Then you have to head over to this site. Here you can see this site. Just head over to it, and from there you can see this. It is saying your second brain and autopilot, like on autopilot. By the way, Taskade is an AI platform which helps you to make your jobs easier. So here at the search bar, you can add like your ideas, like what you want to build next. You have to enter all the prompts and you can just do it easily. Like you can map it out, bring it to life step by step together. So I'm gonna use an easier method to show you how you can use it. So write me something to add on task 8 AI search box. Okay. So that's it. Now I'm gonna paste it. So let's see how what it turns out. By the way, you can log in using your Google account, your Apple account. You can sign up with single sign-on. You can enter your email address, username, and password, and then you can get started. So let's get started. I'm gonna go with my Google account, then I'm gonna tap on to continue. Then you have to answer some basic questions. For example, this one: how will you use Task 8? For example, you can answer these questions. We use this information to personalize your experience. You can enter like, what are you using for work, education, or personal use? I'm gonna tap onto for personal use, and you have to answer like which function best to describe you. So I'm gonna tap onto IT and support, and after then I'm gonna tap onto continue simply. So after clicking on to continue, you can see these three options like deploy AI agent, generate AI project, or automate workflow. For now, I'm gonna tap onto automate workflow. Also, you can import file or URL, like you can convert documents and web links into actionable plans, contents, and project instantly. For now, I'm gonna tap onto automate workflow and then I'm gonna continue. So there we go. After clicking on to continue, here you can check out their subscription prices. For example, they offer two types of subscription. One is pro and then another one is team. This one is for the people who use it with their teams. On the pro version, this is just $10 per month and you have to build it annually. Like you have to pay for the whole 12 months on advance and it will cost you around $120. And on the team, this is $50 per month built annually. This is as the same this is same as the pro one. You have to build annually. And let's see what the offers. You can check out what is included on the pro version. You can get unlimited AI agents, unlimited automations, 2 users included, 10 workspaces, unlimited AI knowledge and files, web scraper, search, and AI utilities. And on the team one, you can get also unlimited AI teams, custom tools and workflows, unlimited users, unlimited workspace, custom domains and branding, advanced team permission, single sign-on like SSO and API access. You can just choose the one that you prefer the most, and let me show you the monthly billings also. So as you can see, the monthly billings are very costly, so I'm gonna suggest you to go with the yearly one if you want to use Taskade for long time. And if you just want to check it out, you can also check it out on the free version. Okay, so now let's move out of it, and there we go. This is what Taskade dashboard looks like. You can generate anything with AI. You have to generate something. So I'm going to show you something. uh write me all finance. Wait. Taskade automations. Okay, and then tap enter. I'm gonna still logged out, and then I'm gonna copy the whole text from the beginning to the very last, and then just gonna copy it and paste it to Taskade. um I think it will work. You can also add some agent tools, workflow, or form if you wish to. And now I'm gonna see how it turns out. So wait until it loads completely and then tap on to create automation, and there we go. It is creating an automation for me. You can add steps, you can, if you wish. For example, on the monthly dual project, you can add more steps if you want. And on the when this happens options, you can tap on to schedule every month. You can trigger it every hour, every day, every week, also every month. Okay, now on the day of month, yeah, you can choose this. And time of day, I'm gonna 4 a.m. Time zone, you can choose time zone. For example, I'm gonna choose um let me find United States of America. Okay, this one is okay, perfect. And that's it. Now you can customize it with every single one. Here you can check out your AI agent. This one is your AI agent. You can create a new AI agent from here by tapping onto it. You can create AI agent, AI team, automation, AI project, smart blank, and many more. You can just check them all of them out and you will understand everything. You can create new team if you wish to, but this one is premium. You have to buy the pro version of Taskade in order to complete this task and this task. For example, AI team, this one is also pro, but on as I'm on the I'm on the tutorial, like trial option, or you can say trial service. I just do it uh, for now. Okay, no, even on the trial version it is not available, so these two needed to upgrade it to the premium version. Let's cancel all of them. Let's stop it. Okay, you can start from scratch if you want. You can check out this video so that you can get perfect idea of it. Okay, I understand everything. So you can start from scratch. Also, you can import some files from your site so that it makes your job easier. So this is pretty much how you can use Taskade for your jobs. There you can see you can add a project title right from here. You can add ideas from here and all other things. So you have to just check it all of them out and you will understand that what it's all about. You can ask it anything like how to publish my project and it will answer you soon. So as you can see, I can publish my project by sharing it through the provided links here. You can tap onto edit projects and then you can just upload it or share it. So for now, let's skip this part and you can just customize it. You can add more things if you want. You can add a project title, you can add date, assign date, you can add automation, for example, task template, and that's it. You can just edit them. So I will suggest you to go to taskade.com and check it out on your own. So that is pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care and see you on another video.